Have you ever heard the phrase, "Money makes the world go round"? It's a common saying that holds some truth. The more financial resources you have, the more opportunities you can take advantage of. But what if you don't have any money to start with and still dream of starting a business? What if you want to make money online? What if you want to reach financial security, doing what you love from the comfort of your own home? What are the possibilities to free yourself from the soulless daily grind you're stuck in? This and many other questions are what we'll answer in this video, showing you the opportunities you can seize now to achieve success and financial freedom doing what you want, when you want, and from the comfort of your home. Embrace the digital age. We are living in an era of digitalization. If you're looking to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and desire the flexibility to work remotely, you're in the right place. Imagine earning $1,000 a month by offering your digital services from anywhere in the world. The internet has opened up endless possibilities for those willing to learn and adapt. You can offer your skills in graphic design and create visually appealing graphics for businesses, social media, or websites. It can be content writing, with you writing engaging articles, blog posts, and web content. You can offer copywriting services and craft persuasive copy for advertisements, sales pages, and email campaigns. If you know how to do so, you can make money designing user-friendly and attractive websites for clients. You can provide data entry services for businesses needing to organize their information. And if you're that skilled in IT, maybe you could even develop mobile applications for Android and iOS platforms. These opportunities require nothing but your passion, hard work, and a willingness to learn. Becoming a digital seller allows you to earn money by leveraging your skills and creativity. Turn your expertise into income. Do you have a topic or niche that you are an expert in? Most likely, the answer is yes. Studies suggest that it's nearly impossible for an adult not to have expertise in at least one area. This expertise can become your new source of income. All you need is the ability to write in detail about this topic and the willingness to learn more about it. You can write for others or start your own website by purchasing a domain and low-cost hosting. Here are some popular topics that attract a lot of search traffic: food, pets, travel, health, beauty, sports. If your expertise lies in a less followed topic, don't worry. Less competition can mean a quicker rise to prominence. You can generate revenue through affiliate marketing, Google AdSense, and product reviews by driving traffic to your site. Showcase your writing skills on these topics and achieve success without heavy investment. Tap into the online learning boom. What has become a popular hobby in recent years? People are constantly seeking new knowledge, and you probably have something valuable to teach. Educating people online can double your income while allowing you to share your passion. Consider starting a teaching channel on platforms like YouTube or offering courses on websites like Udemy or Teachable. You can teach a variety of subjects. For example, you can offer assistance with academic subjects such as math, science, and languages, or you can guide individuals in practicing yoga and teaching them various routines to improve their flexibility, strength, and mental well-being. You can provide guidance on nutritious eating habits or assist individuals in exploring career options and provide support during their job search process. Or, last but not least, you can share practical tips and effective strategies to enhance childcare skills and ensure a nurturing environment for children. As a demonstrator, the only limit to what you can teach is your own skill set. These home-based activities can significantly boost your earnings while allowing you to work from the comfort of your home. Explore the world of dropshipping, which is considered by many to be one of the most profitable businesses requiring minimal investment. This business model can generate thousands of dollars in a single month. The best part is that it's virtually effortless and mess-free. Dropshipping involves a third-party supplier. You receive an order, send it to the supplier, and they handle the packing and delivery. Before starting a dropshipping business, it's crucial to check product samples to ensure quality. Trust and loyalty are essential for business growth. Capitalize on your crafting skills. Are you blessed with any handy skills? Can you create arts and crafts? If so, you can start a profitable business with zero investment. Many handmade products are in high demand, such as DIY soaps, candles, homemade sauces, wood crafts, pottery, If your skills are more fashion-oriented, consider creating handmade jewelry and selling unique creations that will become cherished adornments for your customers. Or maybe your passion and skills dwell more in the custom clothing domain, and you'd love to see personalized clothing items. How about developing natural skincare solutions, or making sustainable fashion items such as reusable bags and accessories? Or maybe you just want to sell your artwork online. You could also create products like handcrafted home decor, knitted or crocheted items, custom notebooks, or homemade baked goods. The possibilities are endless, and the inventory is in your hands. Start small and let your skills shine in the online market. These budget-friendly items can surprise you with their selling potential. Selling handicrafts online can be a rewarding business opportunity for artisans. By leveraging the right platforms, crafting appealing listings, engaging in effective marketing, and providing excellent customer service, you can turn your passion for crafting into a successful online business. Achieving your dreams and providing for your family is possible, even without large investments. All it takes is a willingness to invest your time and energy. The modern world offers countless ways to create a money-making business from nothing, improving your life and the lives of your loved ones. Choose your path and pursue it with determination. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite idea. We also strongly recommend checking out our video on developing the right mindset to help you set your priorities straight. We hope this video has inspired you to identify your path and realize what you can and want to do. The final key to success is having the right mindset to overcome obstacles without giving up. Thank you for watching and keep growing.